I buy a lot of tea, but usually the teas that I buy are not the regular one like this one, right? That are small and normal boxes. I buy my teas as a big bags, something like this, and it doesn't fit obviously in the drawers and it's very uncomfortable. So usually I fill my small jars. This is lavender, this is chamomile. I fill it up and then I put the big bag in this storage. But this is what happened yesterday, and it was like enough is enough, and I went to the container store and I bought a couple of boxes. Very practical and very easy to organize everything. This work for you if you have rice, beans, coffee, sugar, pasta, quinoa. What else doesn't come in a bag nowadays? Everything, right? Even the pasta that comes in a box and is all over the cabinet, that you can find everything so easy and so perfect. What I did is to take the measurement of my cabinet, and I'm gonna give you a big tip for this. Take the measurement, taking in consideration the part who hold the doors. So take the measurement in between this, because if not, the box or whatever you put inside, it won't fit. I take all the measurement very precise in the store, so I knew my limits, to then come over here and to put exactly the box of the same side of the cabinet. And another really good thing is I bought on Amazon this small machine that you can print all the labels with the names and label all the products, for instance, pasta, rice, coffee, or in my case, I put lavender, chamomile, dandelion, and so on, the different types, so it's then easy to find it. Let me show you, and then you can see how it looks like. Everything's super organized. I love it. This is how my box looks like, and I can play with the splitter with this piece of plastics that you can see on the top to make the space a little bit more wider or thinner. It depends on the amount of the bags that I have inside. And see the labels. For instance, rose hips, burdock. Burdock is essential. It's a really good detox for your blood. Imagine having all these bags, that I have many of these, in the cabinet. So it's a real mess and it's a disaster, because every time that you take one, everything falls down. And instead, like this, it's like really easy to pick any bag, and I can check from the outside what I need. But I put it in this small box. The same thing is all well organized, you see, and I put it inside the cabinet. And this one is very practical and easy, but it's better that to grab this, only one piece, that to grab one bag and everything fall apart, and it looks really nice inside the cabinet. Just to remember, this is how the cabinet looks like in the past. And also remember that organization means abundance, and we all want